The Formula One world was shocked and also pleased to hear that Sergio Perez extended his racing contract with Red Bull Racing. But amidst all the celebrations of Monaco and the contract, there was a forgotten face by Red Bull. Well, that is Pierre Gasly. Hello and welcome to Fervent Motorsports, and today we are going to take you through Pierre Gasly's Red Bull dilemma. Pierre Gasly is a French driver who was a part of the Red Bull Junior Drivers program. He was promoted to the Red Bull team in 2019, but he was demoted to the Red Bull sister team Toro Rosso mid-season, and Alex Albon took his place. But Red Bull knows that they have a driver with the potential to win races. Back in April, Red Bull advisor Helmut Marko said, "With Gasly, we still have a contract until 2023, but it's already clear that if the contract expires and we can't offer him a chance to move up, we will most likely lose him, and we don't want that." But after Checo put in a stellar performance this year, there is no denying that he is definitely the better choice over Gasly. Checo has years of experience and has shown that he can remain cool under pressure and deliver in difficult situations. The race in Monaco also showed that when Max isn't feeling 100%, Checo can take the lead and win. Now this is something that Red Bull has been struggling with since Daniel Ricciardo. Both Albon and Gasly are young drivers, but they are error prone. Back in March, McLaren CEO Zak Brown publicly criticized the Red Bull approach to their junior drivers, terming it as brutal. If you look at Red Bull's history, other than Max, they have let a handful of great drivers slip through their hands. I think that they've ruined a few that I think had it, but weren't given enough opportunity. But, he added, they won the championship last year and we didn't, so I can't say that they don't know what they're doing. But they are a bit brutal. Carlos is a great example. Daniel has already proven how good he was, but he chose to leave. Vettel left, and Max is a great story and someone that they found. Gasly looks like one hell of a driver. They moved through a lot of drivers. So with the Red Bull door now shut on Gasly, the likely teams he could move to look like McLaren. With the McLaren CEO publicly making it known that he is unhappy with the driving of Daniel Ricciardo, former F1 world champion Jacques Villeneuve believes that his time at McLaren is up. Daniel Ricciardo's time at McLaren is over. CEO Zak Brown is now saying that there are clauses in his contract, and that means that a decision has almost been made. It's a way to put pressure on the drivers and prepare the media. Ultimately, he has been a highly paid driver who has cost the team a lot of money. So with Daniel Ricciardo's exit looking imminent, we could see Gasly join the orange team. Aston Martin. In an interview earlier this year, the four-time world champion Sebastian Vettel said that he could possibly leave at the end of the season. This could provide the opportunity for Gasly to go to Aston Martin, although it would be considered a downgrade as the AlphaTauri cars are currently faster. Williams. The last possibility of a team we could see Gasly go to could be Williams. With Albon consistently putting in great performances, his teammate Nicholas Latifi has never managed to look confident. This will certainly be a talking point at the Williams garage. And this is another transfer that we could see happening. But this is Formula One, and rumors are always meant to be taken with a pinch of salt. But honestly speaking, where do you see Gasly going next season? Carlos Sainz was a former Red Bull Junior Academy driver, and now he's racing for Ferrari. Could Gasly do the same? Gasly is one hell of a driver and he could go anywhere.